Yeah, hey, I work hard every motherfucking day,
What's up, YouTube? Anthony Alfonso coming in with another video. So I'm here with Chad Bartlett, affiliate marketer who crushes it. If you guys haven't seen his YouTube channel, make sure to go check it out. I'll leave a link below this video, so go check his YouTube channel out. In this video, Chad is going to give you guys some tips on affiliate marketing. He's built up a monthly reoccurring income with his multiple streams of income with affiliate marketing that's generating him 6 figures. So in this video, stay tuned. You guys are going to get some golden nuggets from Chad. I'll ask him a couple questions and he's going to give you guys some value. So pay close attention. And Chad, so tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Thank you for having me on the channel, Anthony. So as far as kind of my story, I started entrepreneurship and got into the online business world around I'd say around 2.5 years ago, and then I just kind of started with drop shipping. Then I went to Amazon and SMA, pretty much like everyone else does. Just that shiny object syndrome. Then eventually I found affiliate marketing, and that's where I was really okay, this sounds cool. Commission, you can already find a product that converts. You just have to set up the traffic and get all that stuff right. So got into affiliate marketing around 1.5 years ago, and then just kind of made myself just stick with that. And then eventually just found some success and just slowly started building up my income to where I am now.
Hell yeah, man. I love it. So what would you tell a total beginner who wants to get started with affiliate marketing, but they just haven't made that leap to get started? What would you tell them to get started?
Yeah, so first off, you got to decide, do you have more money than time, or do you have more time than money? So basically, are you going to start out with paid traffic, or are you going to start with free traffic? I'd recommend to always have both in your business. Paid, you can scale a lot faster. That's a lot of what Anthony does. I started off more with free traffic, gone to paid traffic, and I do a little bit of both now. So that's the first thing I would say. And then the second thing is you want to really just pick one thing. Like Anthony, when he started, he really focused on Facebook ads and just CPA marketing.
Yep, CPA marketing, Facebook ad side of it, yes.
Yeah, so I was doing a lot of email marketing and Facebook ads, and then I got into let me try to think. Now I got into a lot of YouTube stuff and just doing Facebook groups and all that kind of stuff. So you really just want to pick which strategy you want to go about and really just focus on that and really just focus on mastering it. Whether you're doing Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, just pick that one thing, master it, learn from a mentor, and go from there.
Hell yeah, man. One great question is that a lot of people don't realize the power of building a Facebook group. It can be in any niche. And I know Chad has taken a Facebook group from 0 to thousands of students, thousands of members in these Facebook groups. But what do you recommend for someone who wants to build a Facebook group?
Yeah, so as far as building a Facebook group, it's not so much about members, it's all about engagement. So what's cool about Facebook groups is Facebook will organically promote your group. So what you want to do is just really create a group around a certain niche and just look at competitors. If you want to go into the woodworking niche, there's thousands of niches on Facebook, just type that into the Facebook search bar, go to groups, look at all the competitors, make sure there's another group around 10,000 members or so. And if there is around 10,000 members, then you can start to make your own group. That shows there's enough demand for the group. And then, just start your own group. And what I would recommend to actually get your first 500 members or so is just go in other groups around your niche and really just provide value in there. Be like a customer support. If anyone answers a question, or if anyone asks a question, just go in there, answer, try to provide value, interact with the community, and eventually you can lead them from their Facebook group to your Facebook profile to your Facebook group, or you could just message them. There's all kinds of different strategies. I don't know if I want to go into, or I don't know if we should go into too crazy detail, but
yeah, a lot of strategies.
That's basically what I would say.
Hell yeah. And also, guys, make sure to go subscribe to Chad, watching this video, because he also drops a ton of value in affiliate marketing, personal branding, and also using chatbots. And so go watch his channel right now. But also, so what would be the tip to someone who wants to get started but is low on a low budget? What would you recommend for them to make their first $100 a day or in commissions?
Yeah, so it really would depend on the niche, I'd say. But if you have low money, if you have low budget, just start out just learning for free on YouTube, or you can buy a course if you want. It's really up to you if you want that structure or not. But just make sure you're learning from the right person. That's the biggest recommendation I would have for you. But anyways, as far as that goes, just start with free traffic. So again, it would depend on the niche, but start to put together a plan and like maybe a content schedule, and just start doing like lots of SEO, whether that's video or Google, and then Facebook groups is another great way. And just start building your email list with those traffic sources too, and just go from there.
Hell yeah, man. So last question for where can people ask you questions or get help from you in the future?
Yeah, so I'm most active on my Facebook. So if you just go to Chad Bartlett, just search that on my personal profile. If you ever DM me a question, I usually try to answer all my questions on Facebook. If you guys have any, because I can do like voice notes on there, so that's really helpful.
You guys heard it. So yeah, make sure to go check out Chad's free Facebook group and engage, ask questions, and like I always tell people, be willing to give value, be willing to help people. So for example, you know, I've told a story in the past where people have reached out to me and have offered to help me with certain projects, techie projects that they didn't want me to pay them. They just said, hey, let me help you with this. I can do this for you. So be willing to help others and give value, and it's going to pay you back 10x. But any last notes you'd like to leave everybody off on?
Yeah, just like you said, providing value, just giving without expecting anything in return, and eventually the money will come to you if you have the right systems in place and right sales funnels and all that. So yeah, just focus on one thing and just, you know, be patient. It's not like a get rich quick. Like I know we kind of started affiliate marketing at the same time, and it took us a couple months to even make our first dollar. I remember like we would get all excited like, oh, we made $20, and you know, that may not sound like a lot, but making your first dollar really gives you the confidence to like, okay, I made $20, let's go make 100, and then let's make 1,000.
Exactly.
Just reinvest. Don't spend your money, and just keep on reinvesting and scaling until you have, you know, a six-figure business.
I love it, man. Well, thank you for coming on the channel, and everybody, thank you for tuning into today's video, by the way, and have a great day.
I was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some carpet. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry, so I ain't feeling like yesterday. Niggas saying they gon' rob me. I heard the same.